Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be going over standard deviation. This is an ICT concept that I use to have my take profit and where I want to see price go to and a level in which I'm confident to take full profit out of and maybe leave a runner on. So if you aren't sure how to use standard deviation today, I'm going to be simplifying it for you. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Alrighty, so you want to go to the Fibonacci tool, which looks like that. I'm going to put out all these settings. So you have 1. Over here, I have it white and red colors. You have 1, 0, -1, -2, -5, 4, and also 0.5. I like to do -2 and -2.5 red because it shows me where price and makes my eyes look at that area more than just the 2 white colors. So you know price wants to go higher after retesting that fair value gap, but you just don't know where to put your take profit because you don't know where price really wants to go. You draw your standard deviation to the entire manipulation leg, and you draw it up from top to bottom. You see the -2 and -2.5. You draw your fair value gap or rectangle tool to show that price potentially wants to go there. So now that the -2 and -2.5 got hit, you have external buy side above. You see liquidity there. Your -4 lines up with that external buy side. That will be another key draw that price wants to go there. Alrighty, now this is a real-time example. You have external sell side that just got taken. You have a manipulation leg. This is on the 1 minute time frame. You have a manipulation leg. You have your change in the state. You're looking. You want to see price go higher, but you just don't know where. You draw in your standard deviation on your last manipulation leg. You see that the 1 minute already got hit. The -2, -2.5. Now price is starting to drop. I'm moving now to the 15 minute because I want to see if price does want to go higher. So I draw out the entire manipulation leg that sell side just got taken. I'm watching. I draw out the rectangle tool to -2 and -2.5. I want to see price go there. There is a large fair value gap above that could potentially not have it there, but that is a standard deviation tool is projected to hit there, so I'm going to trust it. We tab back into the 15-minute fair value gap right there. I want to see price now go higher. I'm pretty confident that price is going to go higher. I put in my long position targeting the -2, and I'm going to see where price then goes. Chopping around, and it gets tapped. Just what you wanted to see. As you can see, it's now starting to consolidate into that -2 and 2.5 range. Alrighty, that was a quick and simple guide on how to use standard deviation. You need to implement this Confluence into your trading if you want to level it up and have more confidence in your trade actually hitting take profit. So with all that, peace out, guys.